Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So we have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of f(n)(8) equals to capital 8. So the capital 8 that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I can put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, this one that is about this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So when s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, here, and here. We can see that fn number 1, you got number 0. fn number 1, you got number 0. Side of number 0, we have number 0. So that means this one that is about 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So first the derivative of this one, we have secant of s squared over 1 plus tan s. This one that is about negative cosine s over 1 minus sine s. This one that is about cosine s. And now we put number 0 gone here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have number 2. So that means this one you got about e to the power of number 2. So the value of this one that is about e to the power of number 2.